Hello my friends, and welcome back to another video, and a happy new year to everybody. The first week of January. Who could believe that it is 2024? Pardon my voice, I had a cold, I had a cough, still coughing a little, so if I cough during the video, I'll get right back to myself and we'll keep doing it. That's right. So what are you going to see in this video? Well, this video is actually the beginning of a first video, and then right after I'm making a second video for two amazing products which we're going to deliver to a customer tomorrow. It's very cold here in New York. It's about mid-20s. And I made this customer an unbelievable, one of the most gorgeous overcoats I ever made. Going to show it to you in the next video. But this video, we're going to do an unboxing of these amazing brown suede shoes. Custom last, custom shape, custom everything. And we're going to get to those right now. Welcome back, everybody. Phil Pravda here, SUITCAFE.com. That's right. And it's a new year, 2024. We'll have a lot of cool things in store, but we're still working on the fall-winter season, even though it's the new year. Spring swatches are not ready yet. They'll be coming soon, and I'll be showing you those when they come in, but they're not here from Italy yet. We're just still going through that selection for spring, summer. But we're still delivering fall-winter. It's still plenty cold in New York. It's going to stay cold. It stays cold till like May. It's not warm until May. But, you know, as the season goes on, you'll start taking off the heavy winter stuff, or you'll wear a slightly heavy jacket and to go without the overcoat. But now it's cold. You need a jacket, you need a sweater, you need a shirt, you need a t-shirt, and you need a coat on top of the whole thing with scarf and gloves in addition. But this video is the unboxing of a new pair of shoes. I have them right here. I'm going to take this box. I opened up the top for you already just to save some time. Again, all our shoes made in Spain, handmade. And not only these were specially made for a customer of ours, but it's a special custom last. We took one whole summer and we made a special last just for him. And, excuse me. And I'm going to show you these shoes right now. I'm going to open these up. We're going to do this. Ooh, we're going to do the smell test. Everybody knows the smell test. There you go. One smell. Everybody knows the rules. Dave Portnoy, but we do it on shoes. But we give him the credit. Yep. Brand new shoes, brand new leather, everything brand new. Let's take it out of here. See what it looks like. Now, this is a custom size, custom width, custom last, everything custom, including the brown suede. And here we go. Unveiling the new custom shoes right here. Wow, look at that. These are just simply gorgeous shoes. Leather bottom with a little bit of rubber here because this is fall winter. You don't want to walk in the city streets when it gets wet and slushy and it's cold. You need a little extra grip on the bottom, so we put that there. Still a hand-sewn sole. And then I'll show you the front just like that. We have the beautiful perforations, the medallion on the toe. And this is actually a hole cut shoe. As you can see, there are no seams except for in the back, one seam back there. So it's a hole cut with the variation perforations of a brogue. That's right. It looks like a brogue, but it is a hole cut. So really nice shoe that you can wear with regular pants. And this is the special kid suede. So let me take this tissue out of here so I can better show you. The inside is purple leather. And that's just a little fun touch. You know, who knows it's there? Only you know it's there when you wear the shoe. But very, very, very soft. Look how soft the kid suede. Very soft construction. This is also the new flexi sole. So nice and flexible sole, which you usually see in a summer shoe, but we can make it also in a winter shoe. That's the flexi sole. And look how pliable this is. This is going to be so comfortable to wear. You know, these are 13.5, 14 triple E. Although that's not really what the size and the last is. That's what we stamped on the shoe. But this is a custom-made shape for the customer's foot right there. That was all done custom. The actual last was, I forgot how much. This shoe was like $530, something like that, $540 for the shoe. But to make the custom last, it was another 750 euro. Just to make the custom last on this particular shoe, in addition to making the shoe itself. So that's how much something like this costs. But they came out beautiful. Really, really gorgeous. Sorry for my slight coughing. But really nice. And brown suede, of course, great in the fall. Some people say, hey, suede, I can't wear it. It's going to get wet. I'm going to ruin it. Forget it. It's all natural material. You're not going to ruin suede. It can get wet. All you do is you let it naturally dry. Don't put it on your heater. Don't take a blow dryer and start blow drying it. It's not your hair. And just let it naturally dry. Nothing will happen to it. If you want, you could get a suede brush or a suede eraser if you got little marks from water on the edge of the shoe, and you just erase it and you give it a nice brush, and it'll be just like brand new, just like it is today, just like that. And I have a pair of chukka boots which you may have seen on me, which I did show in another video, past video. I'm not sure which one. Maybe I'll link it up here. And I think I did make a video about those chukka boots. I'll link it up right here so you could see it. Those were also the brown suede with purple lining because I particularly liked it. I had the day-night sole underneath, which is the British sole, heavy-duty rubber for the winter. But again, I said the same thing. Suede brush is all you need. I even think I made a video with the sprayed suede brush. I think I did. So check those videos out if you get a chance, or I'll try and link them right here for you. So there you go, the brand new handmade, made in Spain, suede hole cut shoe in the look of a brogue or a wingtip, just like that, with the medallions and the perforations. So I hope you like that shoe there. And stay tuned at the end of this video so you can see some still photos of this because they're really nice. And not only that, I'm going to make another video right now of the most amazing overcoat you ever saw, $12,500. So watch that video. Take it easy and see you all when I'm back at it.